Hello, I hope everybody is doing well. This video is going to be about your guys' videos that you have sent in from your point of view of the storm during and after. I probably won't be posting for the next couple days or so. I'm going to take a little bit of a break. I'm starting to get wore out and feel a little sick, so I'm just going to take it easy. But yeah, we'll try to keep you guys updated as much as possible on the progression of the community and me rebuilding my tiny houses and that whole journey. So well, also one of the videos in here that I'm going to be showing you is from a family that I know, and they are about maybe 10 minutes down the road next to me near Peace River Campground. They are still flooded. Their entire family is living with friends, and they could really use your support. I added their Venmo link at the end of their video. It's the one where the house is completely flooded out. So if you could send them any donations, that would be greatly appreciated. And I hope everybody stays safe.
Is this it?
Nope. Not fishing the dollar store. Make it in there, Mama.
You good? Good job.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
All right. Going around the back of the house.
Keep hearing stuff inside. Probably gators.
There's gonna be so many bugs on these tree limbs. Funny what doesn't go away, you know? These are just loosely set in there. There's our crosswalk there.
Wow.
There's the X.
Yeah, that car tried to come in.
And pick your side-by-side up. Your side-by-side float real easy.
I can feel it now.
That guard.
Makes you give it a little bit more gas, doesn't it?
We're good.
There got a lot of people that live in Port Charlotte that
Oh shit!
What do you say?
Said about another 1.5 feet deeper this way.